In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment slots in Google Calendar for 2025. Setting up appointment slots can be a great way to manage your availability, especially if you're coordinating meetings or consultations. Let's get started by going over the process step by step. First, we need to navigate to Google Calendar. Open your web browser and search for Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your Google account details to log in. Make sure you're using the appropriate account that you want to associate with your calendar entries. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Google Calendar. To create an appointment schedule, look for the plus icon labeled Create on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few options. Choose Appointment Schedule to move forward. Now, you'll need to enter some basic details about your appointment slots. This includes setting a name for your appointments and determining the duration of each slot. Think about how long each meeting or session should be. Usually 30 minutes to an hour is pretty standard, but it all depends on your needs. Next, let's talk about availability. You have to define when you're willing to have these appointments. Under General Availability, you can select the days and times you want to offer. If your availability repeats weekly, you can simply click on the Repeat Weekly option to streamline this part of the process. Following this, setting your time zone is crucial for avoiding any scheduling mishaps, especially if you're dealing with international contacts. Just pick your time zone from the drop-down menu so everything aligns correctly. Now, let's focus on the scheduling window, which allows you to specify how far in advance people can book appointments with you. Click on Scheduling Window to adjust these settings according to your preference. You might want to allow booking several weeks in advance or limit it to just a few days, depending on how flexible you want to be. From there, navigate over to Calendars and make sure everything is in order. Then, move ahead by clicking on Booked Appointment Settings. This is where you can fine-tune any final details as needed. Additionally, you can personalize the booking page with a photo and name. This can make your booking page more inviting and professional. Consider adding any additional details that your attendees might need to know. If you find there's missing information, you can always go into the booking form and add new items that might be relevant to your appointments. Ensuring comprehensive information helps manage expectations on both sides. Before finalizing, click on Booking Confirmations and Reminders. Set up automatic emails to confirm bookings and remind attendees of upcoming meetings. This can be a major help in reducing no-shows and keeping everything on track. Once everything looks good, click Save to log in your settings. You're almost done. The last step is to click Copy Link to share your booking page. You can send this link to recipients to invite them to book time with you. And just like that, you've set up appointment slots in Google Calendar. Now your schedule can be managed more efficiently, allowing you to focus on what